In this video, I will show you guys how you guys can log in into your Amex account, or also known as American Express. Alright, it's pretty simple, so just follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then hit that subscribe button to our channel and let's move on. First step, on the search browser, you just want to search for American Express login just like this. Once you search for American Express login, click on the first option over here. It'll take you to the official website of American Express. Once you're in the official page, you can just click on the login button at the top right. Over here you guys can specifically see, but you don't have to click on it. It's going to show you over here as well, but for some people it doesn't shows up over here. In that case, just click on login. Alright, over here enter your user ID, and right below there is password, so just enter the password of your account, click on login, and you should be able to log in into your Amex account or your American Express account. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe button to our channel one to step for future videos just like this, and I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Bye bye until then.